myself is Amith. I've completed my diploma in computer science and I'm basically from Bangalore. As I was looking for a job opportunity in Bangalore, one of my friends referred me to join Evision.Technoserve. Evision.Technoserve is an online platform where we can learn and develop our own skill sets on our interest level. One of my interests was on networking domain. As my interest, I chose a combinational course on networking, and the networking course lasted for 45 days and a placement for 15 days. So it was a great opportunity working with Evision, and now I got offered from HCL for the 3 LPA. Thank you so much, and it was a great experience working with Evision. Thank you.